I shot this picture of Zendaya for British Vogue, and it's quite mad, this shot, because this was shot on her phone. I'm in England, she's in Atlanta. Her personal assistant is holding her phone, and we're using this very clever app called Kloss. And Kloss allows me to take over the camera of someone else's phone. So in this case, I took over Zendaya's phone, and she's able to hear me. We're on speaker. So she can hear my direction. And before we bothered her, we got our assistant to walk around and show me different rooms, and we knew the dress we had, and we shot loads of different setups, but this picture worked really, really well. And it's mad to think that it was a picture taken through the internet on her own mobile phone. It became a full page spread in Vogue magazine. So really cool sign of the times.